guys, it's Brendan the Paleo Dude here with another video. So today we're going to be taking a look at the ocean protector Mosasaurus in the sun. I've left it out in the heat for a little bit, and I've discovered something about the actual skin. Now, a lot of you probably have done this with the original Mosasaurus, heated it up in some way or left it out in the sun, and it actually gets super rubbery, like, I mean really rubbery, to the point where it's like you can bend it, squish it. Look at how much I can squish the stomach on this guy. Like, look how thin it gets. That's crazy. I think the head's also has that squish to it. I can blink. Yeah, so in the sun it becomes super rubbery, which is I guess cool. It gives that kind of Kenner feel to it, like the dinosaurs from the Kenner line. Now, when I got this figure, it was actually really hard. These actually stay hard, they don't get rubbery. They're still their hard plastic selves. Same with the tail and the end of the tail. But yeah, the body, super squishy in the sun. So if you guys want to leave it out like that and warm it up to have that nice squishy feel, go ahead. It doesn't seem to damage the paint in any way. The paint is, it's squishing with it. It's not cracking or breaking, which is completely fine. And of course, we're going to do a water test with this bad boy pretty soon. And we'll see how it does in water, where it drains from, stuff like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little look at its, I guess, malleability in the sun. And yeah, we'll definitely take a look at it in the next video. I'll see you then. Bye-bye.